नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I'll enter into today's satsang. Understand, today I wanted to expand on the power of listening and how it is directly connected to ability to handle sufferings, ability to handle reality. See, the inability to handle the reality is suffering. You need to know. Inability to handle the reality is suffering. The moment you have the ability to handle the reality, it is no more suffering. And listening plays a very major role in that. When you don't have listening, you always come to the conclusion before the information is cognized in you. Please listen. The moment you start talking to somebody, when you don't have listening, you start coming to your own conclusions either by rejecting that person or by taking that person as a big threat. Both will lead you to suffering. If you take some joker as a villain, you will be suffering unnecessarily. If you take the villain as a joker, you are neglecting the great problems and big sufferings going to come. To gauge a villain as a villain, a comedian as a comedian, you need listening. Please understand. It is listening which is important to see the guy who is in front of your life is going to be a comedian or a villain or your friend. Just because it's a close person's opinion, I don't take that as 100% truth. Just because it is opponent's opinion, I don't take that very lightly. In every moment, I put my listening and separate the comedians, villains, and heroes. Heroes, let them be encouraged to support. Comedians, laugh at them. Villains, attend to them and give them the right reply. Please understand, listening is survival need. Listening is survival need. If you just have listening towards your mind, it cannot cause any more suffering to you. Your mind is also one of the close attendants you have. Because of your confidence over that guy tries to give you all false information and exploits you. I have seen this happening. It is not that he is a criminal, but he does not have listening. People ask me, how can we get to the space of pure listening? How is it practically possible to be in listening? Each time in our so busy daily lives, I can give you simple few techniques. Listen to your heart whenever you have a suffering thoughts, panic attack. Whenever you are confronting something, listen to your heart. Listen to your blood flow. Listen to your liver. It will really help you. You will learn listening. Once in a while, sit with a tree. Sit with a river. Sit with a water body. When I say water body, I mean 100 times more quantity water than your blood level is a water body. It can be anything. It can be a tank, pond, river. I think your body carries almost 5 to 7 liters of blood based on your size. So around 700 liter water, if it is there, it can be considered as a water body. Even a water tank, 700 liter water. If you sit with water body and listen, it may look very funny in the initial level, but I tell you, it will develop listening. In the inner awakening level 4, the first initiation you are going to have is Shravana Diksha. Initiation into listening. I'm really telling you, listen when you are feeling confronted. Listen when you are feeling conflict. Listen when you are sick and tired. Listen when you feel why life is like this. Listen whenever you have a resistance towards something. Listening. Your inability to listen will make anything in the life as suffering. Even milk will become poison. Your ability to listen will make even poison into nectar. If you have the listening, when the idea starts in your throat, please understand, listening in the source where the ideas are happening is unclutching. If you just sit with you and listen, you talking to you. See, largest gathering of human beings is Kumbh Mela. Largest action of human beings on same day, like a festival or a celebration, is also Indian election. That is the largest action or a happening where largest number of human beings are participating. China has more population, but they don't have election. Largest gathering of human beings and largest active participating celebration of human beings, both happen in India. Please understand, your mind behaves like a mic-starving Mahatma. I tell you, sit and listen out. Listen it out. Listening out to your mind is unclutching. Every day, listening out to your mind before going to sleep is completion. Completion is nothing but listening. If you have listening, you will be in the space of completion. Listen to your physical ailments. When you have headache, listen to your head. When you have stomach pain, listen to your stomach. If you have diabetes, listen to your tiredness. If you have blood pressure, listen to your agitation. Listen to every conflict, every contradiction, every confrontation you face in the life. When you are in the space of completion, you will be naturally listening without any struggle or effort. Bring listening to your thinking, bring listening to your words, bring listening to others' words, bring listening to the conflicts you are going through. I tell you, when you don't listen, your mind will behave with you like a politician. When you listen, your mind will behave with you like an enlightened being. If you listen, your own mind will behave with you like an enlightened being. Your mind will be guru for you. It will take you away from all sufferings. It will melt down all worries, all sufferings, all conflicts. Listening. Listening whole day, completion whole night is the life of a yogi. Listening whole day, completion whole night means being in the space of listening whole throughout the day, being in the space of completion throughout the night. I tell you, listening is dhyana, completion is samadhi. When you listen in the source of the words and thoughts, which is the neck, which is the throat, you will be in the space of unclutching. Even poison will not cross this and go and disturb your body. That is what is the meaning of Nilakanta. Because Mahadeva is established in pure listening. Even the poison cannot cross his listening, the power of listening, and affect his body. पीड़ा क्या है? सत्य को जलने की क्षमता ही पीड़ा का अंत करता है. जब आप सुनते नहीं है, आप पीड़ा को आमंत्रण देते हैं. जब आप सुनते नहीं है, आप जानकारी जानने से पहले निष्कर्ष पर आ जाते हैं. जिसे भी आप पीड़ा समझते हैं और ना सुनने के कारण है. यदि आप अपने रोग को अपना सुनना देते हैं, आप पाएंगे कि रोग नाम की कोई चीज है ही नहीं, वो भी क्रमागत उन्नति है. जब आप नहीं सुनते हैं, आप खलनायक और हास्य अभिनेता के बीच का अंदर नहीं जान पाते हैं. हर क्षण में सुनना आवश्यक है. कैसे हम शुद्ध सुनने की स्थिति में आ सकते हैं? जब आप में पीड़ा का अनुभव है, जब आप किसी स्थिति से जूझ रहे हैं, अपने हृदय को सुनिए. जब आप अवस्थ है, जब आपको किसी स्थिति से विरोध है, ध्यान से सुनिए. आपकी सुनने की शक्ति विष को भी अमृत में परिवर्तित कर सकता है. यदि आप अपने विचारों के मूल को ध्यान से सुनते हैं, वही अनक्लचिंग है. प्रतिदिन सोने से पहले अपने मन की बात को सुनना ही पूर्णत्व है. जीवन के हर संघर्ष को ध्यान से सुनिए. जब आप सुनते हैं आप ही का मन आपका गुरु बन जाएगा. Listening is the first step in life. From today, every day I am going to expand on the initiation you are going to have in the Inner Awakening level 4. The first initiation you are going to have in the Inner Awakening level 4 is Sravana Diksha. Methodology and experience into listening. Methodology and initiation into listening. Listening. With listening, life starts. When you stop listening, life ends. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.